Okay, so good morning everybody and once again welcome back in today's class. Today we're on the day number 10 and we were discussing about the incident management. So yesterday we were on this part of incident. Okay. So we see the incident form, that how it will be look like. Today we are going to do a little bit more deep dive in that incident form. Okay, mainly on incident, priority metrics, and about the caller field. Let me go here. Now the thing is that I want or I want some mechanism on my incident form. If any high profile person call me or someone call on his behalf, the incident should be raised with some flag. Okay, which we called as a VIP. So how to differentiate that particular thing? Okay, so if I go here in the caller field and I put a name of Jonathan, right? Yeah, hope so. This one, not this one. Okay, let's come back here and search. I want a user who is VIP. Is true. Run. Yes, sorry, Jared. So now you can see this. It's become red and this flag is coming. Can we add these kind of flags on other fields as well? We can add. These flags are coming from the field style table. So if you go there, field style. Caller ID this one, see. So what it says, it is a little bit coding. It says if the current dot caller ID is equal to VIP in the caller field, means if I'm putting any user here whose caller ID dot VIP is true, then show this image and color the text as well. This is what it's doing. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I saw one post on the community that if there is a major incident, I want the major incident should be written on this side. That was that lady's requirement. I said you can try the style, but I doubt with the style you can achieve that. You can do the background color green or like these colors or these flags you can do, but you can't write it here. Then someone suggested it. You can do, but that is called DOM manipulation. DOM means when we are going to make a change on the core level code, which is not recommended to be changed. DOM manipulation we never recommend to be changed. Okay, so this is what about this particular part. But as of now, there's a out of the box what I can say, there's a no SLA or anything special work on this part. That if caller is this, so I should get this notification. No, but we can use this as a flag. We can use this as a condition to make our work more easy. I want if someone calling and who is a VIP, then it should raise a P2 ticket by default. That setting we can do. That configuration we can do. Okay, but out of the box, there is no configuration which convert or which change, which affect, which impact this caller field, this caller VIP caller status to the other stuff. Now, in the same manner, if you see, there are two more buttons there, this and this, right? This is called ref contribution, REF. REF stands for the reference contribution. We see VIP and we will see ref underscore contribution. What it indicate, from where it come. Let's see. If you click on this, show related incident, means I want to see that how many incidents till date has been raised by this user only. So if you click on this, so as of now only one incident has been raised. Let's change it. No. See. These many incident has been raised by this user. But abhi aa kahan se raha? From where it is becoming? This is what we have to do. Sometimes customer says that I want to be see that how many incident has been raised by this user till now. On the incident form, we can show it here. But the thing is that from where it is becoming. Now let's do one thing. Let's open this window, this tab in the other window as well. See, all these things, all this configuration, all these settings has been done in the dictionary level. We call this as a field, we call this as an attribute, but ServiceNow call this as a dictionary entry. Dictionary. And if you right click, configure dictionary. मतलब सब कुछ यहीं पर है. इस about this field, everything is be written here only. And now scroll down. देखो ये रहा. See, ये यहां से आता है. Reference contribution, user show incident. Let me click on the new to show you. What type of attribute you want? These things. Allow public, allow table, autocomplete. And autocomplete means this thing. When you start writing something, this. We will come on this part as well. Check. So we are on the reference part. Condition builder, autocomplete, default, enable, exclude, field decoration, format, fulfillment exempt. And here we can put this. So if I open this again, let me go back. Yep. This value. This is from the backend coding where it say show user incident, that all the incident I want to be see, I can see that particular part. If you want, you can remove it. That's fine. No, I don't want to see this part. But it will come only with the color. So if you see this part, service email. See, 3 buttons are there. Dependency view, active records, and preview this record. In the same manner, it's be there. See, I button. For every reference field, these where this magnifying glass is there, these called the reference field. Every reference field has this I button. Okay, which says preview this record. Yeah. Preview this record, I button. This I button play a very important role. A lot of places it is actually required. Now the question comes, the next question, which will pick up to this particular part. Okay, let's say Anish is working in the service desk. Okay, generally this same example in my every class, because this is a live example which I faced. Anish is working in a service desk agent. Anish is a fresher, just a college pass out, 2 months, 3 months experience, and he is supporting to the US client. ठीक. Anish work, he need to be receive the call, take the information from the customers, and then raise an incident. ठीक है. Anish, someone call to Anish and say, hi, my name is Javad and I'm facing this issue. Anish says, okay, sorry, can I have your name, please? It's Gerard. Now, if Anish is taking this call, Anish says it's a Gerard. It means something G-E-R-A-A-R-A-D, something spelling like this. But you have the user mila hi nahi. Anish says, sorry, can I have your name, please? It's Gerard. Okay, maybe G-E-R-A.
Your voice is not coming in.
Is it for everybody or only for you, Anish?
Fine.
Fine for me.
Maybe Anish. Yep, Anish, maybe log out and log in if still facing issue. Okay, so now Anish again said.
Hello.
Yes, Anish. Anish, disconnect and the connect again with the call in the call. Okay. Yep. So Anish again says, what's your name? He says, my name is Gerard. Anish tried to write a spelling G-E-D, but still not getting the name. Anish third time again asked, what's your name? Can you spell it for me? Now see this frustration here. If you are a caller and you have to be just tell 3 or 4 times your name and still the agent is not getting that name, how frustrating it is. This is a real example. So my customer says, I don't want this, that my agent are asking the name. No. Then how you ask? What you ask? So we ask, what is your employee ID? Because you go anywhere in the world, numbers are called with the same manner like we call in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, O. My employee ID is 102015. Everybody can understand. But अब यहाँ पे वो ढूंढने का प्रॉब्लम है, because there is no option to be searched with the employee ID. Right? So how to make this change? And this particular change is called ref AC contribution. Sorry, ref AC column. To increase the flexibility of the search, I can search with the email ID, I can search with the employee ID as well. So now go back here. Go back. And scroll down. And here we have to be add a new attribute. F this thing. Auto completer columns. लेकिन किस फील्ड पे? अब now what is the field here? Let me open this again tab and go to user table. And let me add a field called employee ID, employee number. Employee underscore number. Let me copy this. And submit. And let me put number for able tutor. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ठीक, Abraham Lincoln 1 2 3. ठीक है, let me put these two numbers. Now this has been done. We have submitted, it has been created. Now go back. And if you notice in the attribute here, this has been created, right? But the same value has been added in the attribute column. देखो ये रहा. This is what is the actual value taking it. Now we'll go here, reload this page. And you can start typing it here. See. See. You can search with this. You can search with this. So now both things are available. If you want to know, Atul, can I add email ID as well? Yes, you can add email ID as well. No problem. Go here. Again, new. This. और यहां से email ID pick up करते हैं. Email. Email. Done. Let me reload this page. But it will show only one at a point, not the both. It will override everything. Let me see. अरे कहाँ गया? Not here. Here. It should show actually two as well. See, it override that one. It should not be actually override. It should only one. But we can do this searching. This is called, and this is important point from the examination perspective as well. Ref AC column. Okay. Clear यहाँ तक ये 2 points? Doubt question?
Clear.
Good. Now we were discussing about this thing, I button. This is called CIS pop-up view. CIS pop-up view. Okay. If I say, guys, I want that employee number also come here. How you bring that? How you bring that? If I want to make, because I am a service agent and I want to see what is the employee number for this one. I go here, but यहाँ तो employee number का है नहीं field, but in our table we have a field employee number, right? So how to add that? Where to go? This is your homework. And believe me, now 2 weeks has been done. Get ready for the surprise test any day. I give you the hint that it is coming from the CIS pop-up view. Now you have to find out that how to make a change in the CIS pop-up view. I want employee number should be displayed in this place. This is what my intention now. Easy hai. You already have a hint, you already have an answer with you. The only thing is that you have to find out how to make change in that CIS pop-up view. Remember the concept of the view which we discussed. सारी कहानी वहीं से है. ठीक. Now next part. These category and subcategory play a very important role. Again, if you want to see this category, go to dictionaries. Let me open this again in another window to show you. right click, configure dictionary. This is coming from the these are there. What ServiceNow says that if you are implementing incident manager for your customer, don't put more than 8 to 10 categories like this. In this drop down, 8 to 10 are the good numbers. And subcategory can be up to 2 level. One we have, and then one more we can create if required. But again, it is not a limit, it is a best practice. If your category is having more than 10 values, better to create the reference field, not the choice field. Okay. Like I work for a customer, they have 15, not 15. When they ask us to be implement ServiceNow, they have more than 35 categories and 70 subcategories. Then we sit with them. We check each and every category. And after discussion, we bring 35 to only 8 categories and from 70 to 20 only. Because there's a lot of duplication, restart and reboot. Look same. Server restart or server reboot. Why are two categories like this? Configure and configuration. Same thing. Why you have two categories? Right? So this is important for us as a consultant. Okay. What is the intention to bring this point here? ServiceNow says that it is easy to maintain this categories, subcategories, all the things. But this is not idle. ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए. Category, subcategory should be come automatically in my incident form. कैसे? On the basis of my configuration item, on the basis of my service and service offering combination. I call to Anish as a service agent. Hey, I'm facing some issue in my network. And Anish was in a hurry. Anish put the inquiry and help. पूरा structure गलत कर दिया. Because it's a manual entry and we are human being. We can make a mistake. Right? But to reach up to that level, what I'm saying that it should be come from the configuration item. It is very idle. For this, your CMDB should be mature enough, which is not an easy case for every company. So what customer says, what user says, or the client says, okay, we're using categories, subcategories, that's fine for us. But if you can build something with the CMDB part, that will be more good. Okay, this is from the, not from the exam, this is from the practical experience perspective. Don't go more than 8 or 10 categories here. Okay. Now, if I move a little forward, and if you see, if you notice, what is meaning of impact? What is impact? What is urgency? What is priority? Yes, Dinesh, what is impact? Tell me, what is impact?
Sorry, I was on mute. So impact is whenever the system is down, how much is impact? I mean, how many user affected, or the criticality of the system. So
Example.
that is impact. For example, one server which is having the critical application on that servers, and if server is impacted, then impact is very high.
Then what is urgency?
Urgency, I guess it's not sure, but the same panda.
What fun? नहीं, the same case होगा यार. Think how is possible that it can be same? What do you think, other guys? Wasim or Sumit, Anish? What is impact?
It's like how quick we should fix this issue.
What is it? It's impact or urgency?
Urgency.
What is impact?
Impact is what Dinesh has explained. Is like what is the impact of the issue towards the user or enterprise, whether it is enterprise level or multiple user level or single user level. So based on impact and urgency, the priority will be auto calculated using the priority matrix.
This is a formula, right?
Yes.
Impact into urgency is equal to priority.
Yes.
So impact says that how much this breakdown is going to be effect on the system, on the people, on the platform, on the users. Urgency is that how quickly we can fix it. I give a simple example to be understand. Let's say there is a fresher. He joined company of 5 days back, and today is his 6th day in office. He got his ID card and is going to office. Okay. At the door, we have to be swiped so that we can enter into our Bay Area. Okay. He tried to swipe, it did not work. He thought maybe it's not connecting. Again swipe, it did not work. Again swipe, it did not work. At the same time, the MD of the company came. Okay. He also swiped. It did not work. Again swipe, did not work. Again swipe, did not work. There's a guard who's sitting there. He came quickly. And he called to that security team or some other team and say that can you come quickly and allow sir to go inside. Why? Because he know if MD did not enter into the Bay Area, did not enter in his cabin on time, it may impact a lot of financial or reputation losses or risk on the organization. That is called impact. Security guy came, allow everybody, means allow the MD and the fresher in the Bay Area by opening the gate by their own card, but there is an immediate incident to get the access sorted out for this particular MD. That is urgency. Fresher no problem. Nobody is worrying about that part. Okay, so now the question comes, how this get calculated? If I change impact 1, it becoming 3. If I change impact 2, it becoming 2. How this thing is working? This is coming from the concept called the priority lookup or the priority matrix. You can go here and search priority lookup rules. And here it has been defined. 1 and 1 make 1. 2 and 1 make 2. From here it is working, but how it's been configured is a separate part. But for us to understand that how it's becoming, it's coming from the priority lookup table. You can define and you can use it. If you want, you can change it as well. This is what is the priority matrix. Important from the ITL perspective also, from the interview perspective also, from the examination perspective as well. But what is the table name? Table name is DLU priority table, where this priorities has been set up. Check, clear? Now let's fill all these details. Okay.
Atul, urgency and impact can be defined as per the business impact, like in terms of the financial part. For example, if I'm delivering something to my customer and suddenly that service came down, so that moment is also like we can increase that urgency, like to make it fast.
We can make. See, we always change either impact or urgency, not the priority. And basis on the priority, your SLA has been started. So if you think that it is going to impact a lot of people, make impact high.
Yeah.
Urgency also high. It's become a P1 for me. So that's totally up to you. Maybe in the beginning, survey desk raise only P4. But if you start getting call from everybody, my video is not working, my video is not working, they make it as a P1 immediately because it is impacting a lot of people. Urgency to quick it fixly. So to quick it fix, to fix it quickly. So that we can make. But this field will become only on the basis of this impact and urgency. This is what the funda says here. Now we raise this incident. Let me put LNG email, LNG email. Okay. This part. We'll pick up this part little later. Let me save this now. चलो ठीक है, इसको cover करते हैं. फिर आते हैं आगे वाले के ऊपर. Incident, yes. This. You can see this part. This is called the contextual search, or we call it as a incident deflection. DEFLECTI, deflection. What happened if I put anything in my short description that will get copied here, and on the basis of this short description, it will go and find out the articles for me. Go and find out the articles for me. Same article which seen by Anish on the portal, but Anish did not get any help. So Anish called to the service desk. Hey, I'm not able to configure the email in my Apple phone. Agent will go here and type here email in Apple. And he found few articles and you open it. Achha, I say, okay, go, sir, go there, click on this, click on this, click on this. Hope is it configured? Yes, it's configured. Then now agent is giving the feedback. This help? Yes. And cross. And now click on the save. Will this article get edited somewhere? No, because there was no attach button. Attach button only come when we save this incident at least once. Now again go back. Save, or I guess in progress. This thing. Now the thing is that Atul, from where, if I change it here, let's say I put test. Now the question comes from where these things are becoming. Why it is searching only the knowledge? or catalog items or major incident or result. I want to see is anybody using or putting something on the open problems. Maybe that word is there. Server down, specific with the server number. So for this, let's come back here now. And to understand this part, we have to go to the contextual search. This contextual search. If you open these searches, this is the area where we can search. But still we're missing something. I want to make a change this. I don't want to use this related search. I want to use some other word here. Go back. Contextual search. Search context. Search context. Incident deflection. Where this mention SOW that work in the service operation workspace. This is work in the my native view. Open it. And here, if you want, you can make some changes. I'm still missing out something. Here, this thing, right? So this is my contextual search. So it's a search text. By default, it should go knowledge and catalog. Search default searches. Where you want to be searched? I want to be searched in every area, but displayed with the order of knowledge and this thing. See, again, these configs are coming from the searches which we just saw. And now scroll down. Record producer configuration. In the record producer, it means in the service portal also, this contextual search has been used. Where we will do this topic as well, 27 and SP. And if you mention email, sorry, not here, record producer की बात थी यार. Catalog, browse, can we help you and incident. यहाँ पे I mention and it bring everything for me. ये भी contextual search ही है जो पोर्टल पे काम कर रहा है. And this is called, we call as a record producer. So we can go here and as of now it is showing it is working on the incident table. See, open it. Two things, workspace and this. And here if you want you can make a change as well. And I want to show only and only the incidents which are the active. It should work only for the, sorry, it will work only for the incidents which are in the active state. And by default, it will pick up short description for the searches. And it will show 5. No, I won't say 15 results per page. 12. Enable preview button. Yes, I want to see it. Okay, that's fine. Allow search with empty search text. वो डाला ही नहीं आपने short description है. नहीं, that I don't want to do. Save. Go here. Reload. See, this has been changed now. And we can see this preview button as well. Is it help? Yes. Order. It means this should order means because this is not the knowledge article. This is the catalog item. So if I go back, let me show you again. Configure email. See new hire and all the things will be there. Scroll down, request, check, firewall. These all are the catalog items. Then Atul, I want to see only the knowledge article. Let me go and show. See, we're getting attach button here. Attach. When you click on attach, it will become a link in the additional comments. Additional comments are the field which go to the customer. Work notes are the field which stay inside. अपने घर की बात किसी को नहीं बतानी. That is work notes. I top in the class. Everybody should know. That is additional comments. This is what we see when we create a knowledge article. So agent also can use a knowledge article in this contextual search. Deflection. Incident deflection. Clear हुआ? Everybody?
Yeah.
Now, if I save this, email will go to the customer to able tutor with this particular KB article. This is important point actually. That how this particular stuff work here. Okay. What else we can do here? Let me show you then one more field is there, I'm sure. Okay. We can do one more thing here. I want to be search as. Sorry, I want to search as matlab. Go here in this part. Let's see, open this. What is written there? ठीक है, इसमें तो कुछ नहीं है. Means I can just search with a short description. That's fine. Okay. Let's come back. I'm looking for a field here which says about search as well. Here. When to display this and search as. I want to search as a assigned to. What this do actually, search as? Anybody idea? Because in the knowledge articles, as I say, that we have a user criteria. So what we do, we say, I want to be search these article as a caller. Because as a caller, maybe I have more access. I want to be searched as a assigned to. Show only those records, show only those knowledge articles which is fulfilling my criteria of can read or can contribute. I'm looking for some HR documents, but I don't have access for the HR, so it will not show here. So such as assigned to. Otherwise, I am working in a company. I know that I cannot access the HR documents from the portal, but I can access the HR document from the contextual search. So let me put restrictions here that no, a user can only see as a assigned to, as a caller, as a closed by, as a reopened by, only by the user's name here. Some results may not display due to security constraint. This is what the reason is there. If you don't have access, it will not display to you. So it is recommended if you want to put this configuration on the place, always use assign to. Because end user को ज़्यादा rights नहीं होंगे देखने के. But I as an ITIL user, I can see a lot of articles which an end user cannot see. Okay, this is another small area to improve it. Otherwise, all good here. Okay, put your doubt questions.
Yes.
Good.
So this is I couldn't understand properly. Maybe I will explain what I understood.
Sure.
Okay, so as you are trying to search for the articles or
Right.
articles wherever, I mean, it will be on the incident management articles, right?
No.
Wherever the assigned to
on the
is
incident module.
Yes, that's correct. Incident module, meaning if you scroll down where you have mentioned knowledge, this drop down knowledge and catalog and all, it will search from the incident management. It's not there. Like you resolve problems or something. I didn't understand actually.
Let me recorrect you.
Then, okay.
So this is a module that is called contextual search, which is available on incident. This is available on the problem as well. Where if a user type anything in the short description get copied in this and related to this particular words, article will be displayed. Now article will be displayed from the knowledge and the catalog, from the open incidents, from the outages short description, from the open outage description, from the open incident description. From these it can find out. Let's say, let me say resolve incidents. इसमें कुछ नहीं resolve incident. Let me say open incidents. See, these two incidents are open. This will help you to find out that is any similar incident already raised for this user or not. Sorry, for other users or not. हो सकता है ना raise किया हो. So why you want to be do everything again? You can just go and say, okay, what happened? What happened in this incident? Okay. अच्छा ये वाला लिंक दिया है, चलो कॉपी करके डाल दो. या फिर you can link to that incident as well. Parent child relationship बना दो. Because this is also one important point. Parent and child relationship का भी important point है. We will discuss that as well.
How it was related to assigned to? I didn't get that.
अच्छा. Now, if I search as a capacity of an end user, now tell me one thing. You order something from the Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra or e-commerce website. Okay, you are as an end user. You are searching that how to get a refund for a used product. Okay? And you did not get any article on that. You call to survey desk and you say, hey, I am using this product, but I want to get a refund of this. Sir, give me 2 minutes. That lady or gents or the executive will open the preview in their own side and they will search how to get refund of a used product and they get an article, but you did not get article. This is what the difference. Because I am an ITIL user, I am a fulfiller, I have more access than you. And this is incident resolution. So I have to see wider perspective that how many, where I can get the articles, which you can't get. So this is what the searches says that do you want to search as a capacity of the end user, caller or the assigned to? I said no, search with the assigned to because this person has a more role than the end user. More role, more area to be searched. This is what it is here. Clear now?
Assigned to is something that is the ticket is assigned to someone, right?
No.
From the group,
Yes,
from the
yes,
assignment group.
yes, correct. Correct.
Based on that,
Based on that,
how
it run the background logic in the background.
okay,
It
okay,
will
fine.
it will say who is assigned to. Assigned to is Anish. Okay, Anish department is IT. Anish location is US. It will go to the knowledge articles, check the user category only, then it will display these articles here. This is what it's background searching.
Okay.
Right? You link your Aadhaar card with the PAN card. You link your voter ID with the PAN card. You link your bank account with the PAN card. But when you're filling your income tax return, you just enter your PAN card and detail come automatically. How? Because in the background that logic run to find all the details related to this particular PAN card. For whom? The user who is logged in, the user who is filling the ITR of the form, income tax return. It is in the background logics. Clear hua?
Yes.
Good. Now, if I come back here again, little bit, and this is your homework now, where we are here. Okay. So, how the incident work actually, the process life cycle. Incident in the new state. This is what we are here now. Okay. From the new, it can go to in progress. I click on the in progress, it will go. Or assign this incident to someone and click on save. It automatically moves to the in progress. From new or in progress, the incident can be on hold. Or can I cancel it? No. Once an incident move to the in progress, it cannot be get cancelled. बन गया इंसिडेंट, अब आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You have to be resolve it. You have to be resolve it, but you can't cancel it. So now it is in the in progress. Now from the in progress, I can go either on hold, either resolve. On hold, go here, on hold. For the on hold, I have four reasons. Awaiting caller. Caller से कुछ information चाहिए. Awaiting change. To fix this problem, I have to be. I'm just putting you on the mute, Wasim. Sorry. Okay. Awaiting change. To fix this incident, a team has already raised a change, and that change is going to be deployed in the next 5 days. Awaiting problem. Nahi, already open a problem. We have nothing to be do on this particular part. Or awaiting vendor. We are waiting for vendor to be come back on this particular part. And vendor can take more time because we're taking the services from the vendor, and as per our SLAs, they will work. Not the way we define to do, but the way they want to do. Tick. So if you click on the awaiting caller, you can see this become mandatory because customer should know that you're waiting for him or her to get the updates. And save. Now it's awaiting caller. If I put awaiting change, there's a no validation. See, logically it should become mandatory, but it is no validation. And also notice this. We attach this article, right? It is showing here that this article has been attached. Because this is what the knowledge manager says. I want to see that how many articles has been attached to an incident. मेरा end user तो use कर रहा है, but I want to know that how this my articles are helping to my agents or not. So this is what. So either awaiting awaiting change, problem or vendor, there's a no validation out of the box given in the service now. No, nothing, no validation is there except this thing. Now from the old, I can go to the in progress or I can go to the resolve. इसको अभी नहीं करते. We'll pick up one small topic because life cycle should continue for some time. Now the question comes, let me create a new incident. Okay. This concept is called the assignments. Now, we are in the mature era now, where artificial intelligence, generative AI, or what I can say, machine learning, predictive intelligence, a lot of things are there, which are important for us, which are making these things beautiful, right? Now the thing is that how we can leverage that in this part. If you see this assignment group, it is tough for the survey desk agent to know, to remember that to whom this incident should be assigned. It should go to the database team, network team, which team it should go. And for that, there is a concept called the assignment group and assigned to auto population. This group can be populated manually, like you go here and you put with the assignment rules. If category is this, subcategory is this, service is this, I want this to be assigned. Data lookups. You define your own pattern and you can put it. Or via scripts. You can define the code. And the last, on the basis of some business rule. That if service is this, then in the service or in the CI, the support group should become here. In the same manner, we have a assigned to. Manual selection. There's a button called assign to me, which is hidden here. That is UI action is hidden. Or this can be done with the on call. रात को सब घर चले जाते हैं, लेकिन कोई ना कोई कॉल पे रहेगा. If an incident comes, it should assign to that person only, not to me, because I'm not in office. I'm not in the call as well. Okay. So this is a concept which is we are going to be used called the assignments. Okay. I will not start this topic because it will take another 20-30 minutes more. We'll pick up this topic on Monday. Okay, but possibly on Monday, we are almost trying to be close this topic. So major is left, these assignment groups and little bit information about the major incident management as well. But your homework is there. You have to be complete the life cycle of incident. Properties, contextual search, read about that. Only then you will be able to know that how it's work properly. Clear everybody? लगेगा Monday, Tuesday तक का भी day I think लगेगा इस पे. Till Tuesday we have to be take it because we have a lot of topics left in this area now. Question, clarification. Good. Chili, let me stop recording and take quick attendance now.